All right, so here to unpack, Republican Congressman Dan Meuser of Pennsylvania, member of the House Financial Services and House Small Business Committees. Great to see you on this Christmas Eve. Thanks for taking the time. So President Trump just announced this new agreement with 9 additional major pharmaceutical companies, bringing the total to 14 companies now set to lower prescription prices. When will Americans start to feel the impact of this?
Well, Charlotte, Mark, Merry Christmas to you as well here in Pennsylvania. Just a weather report where it looks like we're having a white Christmas. So when you come home, you'll be careful and see that. Look, this is a fantastic development. I've been an advocate, as has the president, for a long time that our CMS, Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, should be able to negotiate directly with pharmaceutical companies. It really didn't make any sense. But President Trump came in and he made it better. He brought them to the table. He mandated basically most favored nation status. He did an executive order on it. He brought all the top pharmaceutical companies in, and they're all going to abide by this because they have to, or else they'll be completely left out. And then he set up this TrumpRx exchange where people can just go directly to that website and find drugs at discounts directly through a distribution channel, but directly from the consumer. So it's America first, it's access, it's lower pricing. I mean, it's going to save tens of billions of dollars for people.
Wow. Yeah, you mentioned the website, TrumpRx.com. It's expected to launch in January, which sounds like a long way away, but it's actually next week. And so, I mean, but your point is that there's so many treatments that are going to be lower prices: diabetes, arthritis, asthma. Some cancers are even on the list. And Congressman, I guess my question is do you get your drugs now through TrumpRx.com, or are you still going to end up having to go to your pharmacy like a CVS or a Walmart to get the drugs? How does it work?
Yeah, it's a good question. There's distribution channels will be established with TrumpRx as well that are fair and accessible, and the manufacturers. Certainly prescription drugs, you'll need to go to your pharmacist. But again, at the negotiated prices, or not negotiated price, the prices that are being offered via this most favored nation threshold and level. So either way, it will be lower. In some cases, it could be direct, but I believe, and I think it really needs to be through the independent pharmacy or through the standard pharmacies will be the distribution channels.
Looking ahead to midterms, because 2026 is just around the corner, as you know, and earlier this week, Republican Congresswoman Elise Stefanik announcing she will drop out of the New York gubernatorial race and leave Congress as well. Do you worry at all about the growing number of Republicans now backing out of midterm challenges with the Republican majority at stake, and some of them seeking higher offices as well?
Well, Charles, I'm trying not to worry about it today or over Christmas, but certainly come the new year. Yes, it's a serious concern, and honestly, it should be for all Americans. Look, we voted in President Trump in a significant way in 2024. If the Democrats take control of the House, if they have their speaker, Hakeem Jeffries, the first thing they're going to do is try to impeach the President of the United States. The second thing they're going to do is just try to open up borders and terminate and reverse everything that he's done. We're going to do everything we can to stop him, even being in the minority, but they're going to have some successes. And then they're going to try to go after, they're going to try to federalize elections. So there's a real reason people should be very concerned about these midterms. And now the downside is, in the last 90 years, only twice did we pick up seats, or the sitting president's party pick up seats. So we're starting from not a great position, but we're going to do the things we did in 2024, such as the Trump Force 47, having boots on the ground, having people out, knocking on doors, taking care of business, getting the early ballots in, getting the mail-in ballots in. So we're going to be ready, and we're going to do our best. And I'll just end with this: the economy needs to be strong. And you know what? With the Trump plan in place, the big, beautiful bill and such, I'm extremely confident the economy is going to be strong.
And you're right. No need to stress or have concern over the next few days. Enjoy the holiday with your family as well. I love the red festive tie this morning.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Appreciate you.